Boom! So what's up, guys? Byron Rodgers here. What we're doing, I did those stress tests with the innocent armor, took a good look at them. But now that I'm, home, I'm in my own space. I really just want to break down, really take a look at these plates and see what we got. I was pleased with my mobility when wearing the gear, when wearing the armor, and I was pleased with the results of the stress test. I mean, we shot some pretty high quality rounds at the armor on day 1 and day 2. But, it's time to break these bad boys open and see exactly what went on in there, you know what I'm saying? So, you know me, man, we gonna get up in it to win it right quick. So check this out, man. You guys remember this bad Larry right here? Remember this bad Larry right here? The backpack that got shot up, okay? Here's the plate that we did work on. Okay. Few different flurries. This is the all 9mm plate we ran through. Put some tape on here just to mark the shots, but I mean, you can see there's innocent armor's piece. This is the one penetration we had, which was the rifle round, was the spear ammo. This was the tear, just from the stuff moving around pretty violently. And possibly a round came out to the side. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go on ahead and we're gonna check out. I'll do a review on this knife later. It's one of my favorite knives that I've ever had. Take a closer look, see what we can see. You know what I'm saying? What exactly is going on in here? Because I think that's really important. So here we go. Wow. All right, so here we go. We got the front of this bad Larry. This is a 9mm, as I was saying. Look at this. So we have a few bursts, and you can see, I mean, if I had the time, this Kevlar's just not just cut into this, right? But if I had the time, I just need to get the projectiles and get them out of here. But you can see from the back, there is no penetration. This looks a little bit like a penetration, but it is not. So we are flush, we're clean, navigated every aspect of the test on the 9mm side of the house. And it's just, there's bulging where the 2 bursts were, 0 penetration. This was from our rifle round. Yep, just a little mark. And then this is where that bulge on the side was, where the tear happened. No exit. So that tear happened and just was a bulge as a result of the bulge in the fabric. It's pretty sweet. Oh. See a projectile in there. Like one of Luke's rounds or something. Can't tell which one it is. I'm not a ballistic expert, but there you go, real deal. That's definitely one of Luke's. Little rubber tips on them. One of the practice rounds. Get one of mine. Yeah, these ones must be mine. The Hydra shocks. That center opens up, closes up. They're all throughout here. Little pockets. Wow. I don't look like it hit a stinkins. It just hit a piece of steel, man. That's how good the armor is. Look at that, completely flattened. Okay, so that's pretty sweet. Now, here's the other one. Boom. This bad boy. Really interesting. We got a number of different calibers of this guy. Everything from 45 to 40. Big old cowboy rounds that my boy Daniel Frazier had with Artifacts. So this one got hit with everything from 45, 40, and that Ruger Super Black Hawk 44 Magnum. So this guy got hit quite a bit. Lots of impacts, right? Lots of stuff going on in here. Even look at the back of it, you know. And I see bulging, you know, and I'm not a ballistic expert, but I do not see any past it. So we're gonna dig into this bad boy, and we're gonna see if any of these rounds actually went all the way through everything. Shout out to Fox Karambit. Never cut towards yourself. Ooh. Oh. You got bullets falling out. Look at these. Training ammo. I'm not a ballistics expert, so I'm not even going to pretend to tell you exactly what is what. But I do know that some of these bad layers are bigger than the others. Okay, so we'll start with the front. What we see up front is, you know, let's see if we can get some more light on this thing. I think. That kind of whites it out a little bit. Oh, it's not bad. You see up front, you can see a lot of these impacts, man. A lot up here, here. You can still see some of this stuff didn't even make it through. That's a projectile right there. That's a bunch of lead. That's a projectile right there. You know, here's another projectile right here. Stopped right at the actual plate itself, or soft armor itself, you know. I like to dig these bad Larrys out. Yeah. Big boy too. Yeah, that's probably about that. That's probably that 45, that 4-5 right there. Okay. Anyway, but before I abuse this thing too much, I want to look at the back of it, you know. Ooh, wee. Well, that's a big hole right there. That's a whole bunch of heat. That's been that other 40 film, that other mag right there, where we see some bulging, but no pass-through, right? Look at that bad boy, man. That's huge. Whoa. And heavy. Well, humans got really good at throwing rocks, I'll tell you right now. Check it out. Anyway, so this looks like it might be a pass-through. Nope. It's just a piece of lint. Okay, so look at that. Nothing. So we're looking at this thing, and we're looking at the backside of this bad boy, and I do not see any penetration. There's nothing. There is a significant bulge from that dirty Harry gun throwing these lead baseballs at it. I'm not a ballistics expert. However, the projectile sound, I feel it. I know that bullet would not be inside of you. So for being 3A armor, once again, totally answered the call. No pass through here. This is the one I dug out from the other side, right in front of you. You know, I dug this one out at the beginning of the top. So, no pass through, no nothing. And that bad boy's in there. You don't have any bullets in you. And we went on ahead and shot a whole bunch of rounds of this bad boy. And I'll show you guys. Shot a whole bunch of rounds. Day 1, day 2, and Innocent Armor stood up to everything. It's pretty impressive, y'all. That is pretty impressive. Anyways, Innocent Armor, thank you for allowing me to do this stress test on your gear. It was a great time. Armor's good. Movement inside your gear is good. You guys got the green light from EPL and Protector Nation. I look forward to seeing y'all at the symposium and doing a lot of amazing things to make our world a safer place by helping good people to be willing, capable, and prepared, and also a little more dangerous. We'll talk to y'all soon. Out. Boom!